Alex Wiedeker. I drive a tractor trailer for Albie Humphreys. I used to drive for Covenant Transport, but I ran over one too many people, and I got an air horn. You'll see my air horn over there. It's right there. That's my air horn, and I like to blow my air horn. So now I drive for Albie Humphreys, and they let me run over people. It is fun to run over people. It is like, and see, I can go fast. I can go real fast with Albie Humphreys. And see, I got fuel, and I got battery, and I got a turbo, and I got oil, and I have that other thing, but I haven't figured out what that is for yet. And see, I have a radio, and I have knobs that I can pull and push, and I even have a CB radio. It is fun to talk on the CB radio. I like driving a tractor trailer.